This free tutorial will show you how to fade in MP3 tracks in Capcut PC online free video editing software completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, so the first step to fade in an MP3 track in Capcut PC is to drag the MP3 track that you would like to fade in. In this case, I have one, and then I have two, but locate the part where you want to fade in and then drag it. If you have video layers or clips, as I do, you want to click and select, click, hold, highlight, or just click the MP3 audio track, and then go to the top right hand screen in Capcut PC free video editing software and click basic. Now underneath basic, this is not going to be too basic, but it is underneath volume and then fade in. Click this drag and then drag it to the right. As you can see, notice what it's doing to our track. It's basically adding a curve. Let's say 3 seconds is what we want. So now it fades in the audio piece. Instead of not fading in. Voila, completely for free.